From the Stripe dashboard, click on the Settings button at the top right of the screen. Then on the product settings, right here, you want to click on the payments option. From the payment settings, you want to tap on these payment methods. On this page, you may scroll down and search for Amazon Pay option. And then at the Amazon Pay, hover your mouse over it on top of Amazon Pay and click on the enable button besides it. Then you are good to go. This is the payment link that I just created. And as you can see, Amazon Pay is already a part of the payment method. Just keep in mind, sometimes it takes times for Stripe to include the new payment method, even few hours in my case when I try to add another payment method to my Stripe account. Well, also there is a region lock for some payment methods. If you still have any questions, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.